Ever stumbled upon YouTube shorts featuring Elon Musk or Lionel Messi that rack up millions of views in just days? All thanks to free AI tools. Imagine creating viral content like that, blending the tech visionary Elon Musk with the football magician Messi into creative, jaw-dropping videos. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And the best part, it's completely free. Stick around and let's turn your ideas into viral gold. But first, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials, because trust me, they're game changers. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the tools, let's understand why Elon Musk and Messi videos blow up on the internet. 1. Musk represents innovation and the future. Messi embodies passion and brilliance in sports. Combining their worlds sparks curiosity. 2. From Musk building futuristic spaceships to Messi scoring goals on Mars, the mashups are limitless. 3. With free tools, you can create mind-blowing scenarios that grab attention instantly. Take this example. Imagine Elon Musk launching Tesla-branded footballs into space, with Messi juggling them in zero gravity. Crazy, right? But totally possible with AI, and he'll show you how. 1. Ideogram. Ideogram generates stunning videos just from text. Simply input your text and watch how it creates its magic. 2. RunwayML. This tool lets you turn static images into animations. Imagine Musk's futuristic robot playing a match with Messi, or animated stadium crowds. 3. CapCut. Once your visuals are ready, CapCut makes editing a breeze. Add music, sound effects, captions, and transitions to keep viewers hooked. All we need to do here is to get our images. We can get it from any image-generating AI tools, but we are using Ideogram. Let me just enter a text prompt: Lionel Messi playing football on Mars with Elon Musk watching from a Tesla spaceship. But take note that this prompt is just a litmus test. Why did I say so? Because a comprehensive prompt will follow after these litmus tests, and those are the prompts we will be using to produce our uncommon video. Trust me, you will never see this kind of videos anywhere, so be the first to launch it. I am impressed with the image, so let's enter the main prompt. But this time around, let's type in a prompt that's out of the world. A kind of out-of-the-box prompt. Alright, let's try this prompt. Elon Musk in a spacesuit coaching Lionel Messi during a football match on a futuristic spaceship. Sometimes crazy ideas yields results. Okay, let's download our generated image. Now, head to RunwayML and import your image. I import the image where Messi and Musk, who was on a spacesuit, stood close to each other. I want to animate this particular image. I can decide to instruct it with this prompt. Elon should speak to Messi for a while. Give him a bottled water and pat him on his shoulders. But then, to test its neutrality and smartness, I would decide not to work with any prompt. The image is just enough. Let's see the result. Let's try up another example. Okay, let's import another image and follow the procedure just as the first. Is the result impressive? Remember, we agreed to think out of the box. We agreed we wouldn't be using regular prompt. Imagine using Donald Trump and Ronaldo, or Mark Tyson and Bill Gates. Sounds funny. Some might say it's incompatible, but nothing is just impossible. Simply try it out. Alright, let's download all the videos generated. Head to CapCut, import all the video into CapCut and arrange. Watch how I do it carefully. I won't hasten the page, rather I would take it slowly so we all can understand. In a few moments, just stay glued to your screen. Add caption. Watch how I adjusted the text to fit the size. It's time to add audio. Since this is related to football, let's search up for football sounds. You will see lots of audio to select from. Let's check them up. This audio sounds more realistic, so let's settle for it. After adding it, make sure to adjust the length. Set the audio to fades at the end, so adjust the aspect ratio if you choose, but I want to leave it this way. You can be creative when doing yours. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Use the noise reduction and cancellation option. Tweak some other features that might suit you. Transitions, effects, and arrangements. After that, download the video to your device and simply upload. Use hashtags like Elon Musk, Messi, AI and Tech meets Sports. Pair this with an engaging caption like, "The future of football meets the future of tech." That's it, folks. With free AI tools like Ideogram, RunwayML, and CapCut, you can create stunning Elon Musk and Messi videos that take over the internet. Start today, and who knows, your next edit could go viral. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. I've got even more AI-powered content creation hacks coming your way. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring.